In this video, I'll show you exactly how to register and run a US LLC from the UK, step by step, including formation, banking, taxes, and how to avoid common mistakes. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and here on LLC Deals, we cut through the fluff to help you launch your business with confidence. No US address, no citizenship, and no flights required. Why start a US LLC from the UK? Now let's start with the obvious question here. Why would someone in the UK want to start a business in the United States? Here are a few reasons it might make sense. Access to the world's biggest economy. US customers, investors, and payment platforms are much easier to reach with a US entity. Credibility. A US LLC on your invoice or website looks more legitimate to international buyers. Payment processing. Platforms like Stripe, PayPal, and US banks integrate more smoothly with US entities. Business-friendly states. Compared to the UK's limited company setup, you might find US LLCs easier to manage, especially when selling online. Of course, you should always speak with a tax advisor or accountant, but thousands of UK founders run US LLCs remotely. And you can too. What a US LLC doesn't get you. Now, before we get into the steps, let's quickly cover what a US LLC does not give you. It does not give you a visa to live or work in the US. It doesn't give you a social security number. It doesn't replace your UK business registration. A US LLC is just a business entity. It's not immigration status. You can absolutely run it from the UK, but you'll still be subject to UK tax rules on your personal income unless you structure things carefully. More on that in a bit. Step 1, choose the right state for your LLC. You don't need to live in the US, but you do need to pick a US state to register your LLC. Here are the top options. Delaware, the go-to for tech startups, especially if you plan to raise investment. Strong legal system that's built for business, widely accepted by banks and VCs. Now the downside, if you're doing business in another state, like California, you might have to register there too. Wyoming, popular for privacy and low fees. No state income tax. Great if you're bootstrapping and want simplicity. Florida or Texas, good for e-commerce and remote-first businesses. Both have large economies, no state income tax, and decent filing costs. Now for most UK founders, Delaware or Wyoming will be the cleanest choice. Next, choose your business name. Every state has its own rules, but here are the general tips. It must include LLC or limited liability company. It can't sound like a government agency, so no FBI Solutions LLC, and it must be available in the state where you're registering. You can check if the .com domain is available. Even if you don't launch a site yet, you'll still want that option. Now, you can do a quick name search on the Secretary of State's website, or just use a formation service like Northwest or Taylor Brands to check availability during setup. Step 3, appoint a registered agent. Every US LLC is required to have a registered agent, someone with a US address who can receive official mail and legal notices on behalf of your company. Obviously, if you're in the UK, you don't have to have a US address. That's where formation companies come in. Services like Northwest Registered Agent, LegalZoom, Taylor Brands, they'll all let you use their office as your registered agent and forward mail to you digitally. Expect to pay around $100 to $250 per year for this, though it's often included in the first year if you use one of these companies to form your LLC. Step 4, file articles of organization. Now, this is the official form that registers your LLC with the state. It includes your business name, registered agent info, member or manager structure, business purpose, and the filing fee depends on your state. For example, Delaware's $90, Wyoming's $100, California's $70 plus an annual $800 franchise tax. And if you're using a service like Northwest or LegalZoom, they can file this for you. Once it's approved, your LLC is officially born. Step 5, get an EIN. A tax ID number. An EIN, or an employer identification number, is like a social security number for your business. You'll need this to open a US bank account, file US tax forms, use Stripe or PayPal for payment processing, and if you're a UK resident with no social security number, you can't apply online. You'll need to fill out Form SS4, fax it to the IRS, yes, fax, and then wait 4 to 6 weeks for your EIN. Now, here's a pro tip. Formation services like Northwest or LegalZoom can handle this EIN filing for you for an extra fee. It's worth it if you don't want to mess with the IRS bureaucracy. Step 6, open a US business bank account. This is where things can get tricky for non-residents, but it's totally doable. Most traditional US banks require you to show up in person with your passport and LLC documents. It's not realistic for most UK founders. The better option is to use a digital bank built for startups. Our top pick is Mercury. It's FDIC insured, designed for US LLCs abroad and no monthly fees. It's fully online. To open a Mercury account, all you'll need is your EIN, your articles of organization. You'll need an operating agreement, which is a simple legal document outlining how your LLC works, and proof of a US address. Your registered agent can help with this as well. Once you're in, you can send and receive US payments, wire funds internationally, and connect with Stripe, PayPal, Wise, or whatever payment processor you choose. Taxes. What UK residents need to know. Let's break this down without going full accountant mode. Here's how US taxes generally work for UK founders with a single member LLC. Now, by default, your LLC is seen as a disregarded entity, but foreign-owned LLCs must file as corporations. You'll need to file Form 5472, Form 1120, even if you made $0. And these forms are due every year and must be mailed to the IRS. If your US LLC doesn't have effectively connected income, or ECI, meaning your business operates entirely outside the US, you may not owe US taxes, but you still need to file to avoid penalties. In the UK, you'll report your income as a foreign company owner. If you pay tax in the US, you may get a foreign tax credit to avoid double taxation. But honestly, hire a US CPA. It's 100% worth the money to stay compliant and avoid fines. Expect to pay around $750 to $1,000 per year for a startup CPA. Can you do this all yourself? Yes. Technically, you can do it all yourself. You can go directly to the Secretary of State's website, fill out your own paperwork, fax forms to the IRS, and try to find a bank that'll accept your UK address. But let's be honest. Unless you really enjoy government forms, time zone differences, and chasing down paperwork, there's a smarter way to go about it. If you want to save time, avoid mistakes, and have everything handled in one place, then I recommend using LegalZoom. They'll take care of registering your LLC with the state, acting as your registered agent, getting your EIN from the IRS, helping you stay compliant with annual filings, and even setting you up with the US mailing address if needed. So to get started with LegalZoom, just click the link down in the description and click on Start My Business. From here, you can either click on Start My LLC right here, or you can scroll down and click on Learn More. Now, when you come to the Learn More page, it's going to show you the 3 different plans. There's the basic plan, which is free, just pay state filing fees, and it's pretty basic. The pro plan gets you everything in the basic plan, plus an operating agreement, an EIN, bookkeeping tools, and access to over 150 customizable legal documents, and unlimited e-signatures to send and sign, and a customizable website powered by Wix. The premium plan takes all that, plus you get hands-on guidance from experienced attorneys, and you can book unlimited 30-minute sessions within your first 30 days. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the basic plan and show you how you can get the operating agreement, EIN, and signatures for less than $249. Just click on Form My LLC, and then you're gonna type in the name of your business. For this example, I'm gonna say I'm opening up a bike shop. Then we'll go ahead and click Next, and then we're gonna go ahead and choose our state. So for this, I'll go ahead and choose Wyoming and click Next, and this is where you can go ahead and fill out some information, some contact information like your email address and phone. For this example, I'll leave it blank, and then you can go ahead and just type in your industry. So I'm opening up a bike shop, so I just typed in bike shop and click Next. And then let's go ahead and click Next again, and here we can go ahead and click on Select Plan. So go ahead and do that. And then here, this is where you can go ahead and get the operating agreement, the EIN, and the forms and e-sign, which is all included in the Pro plan for $50 cheaper. And you're not getting the bookkeeping tools or the website, but if you don't need that, this is a way to save some money. So go ahead and click Select, and then it's gonna see if you want to open a business bank account with Bank of America. But if you're in the UK, again, I'd recommend an online bank like Mercury or Relay, which we'll have links to down in the description below. So we'll go ahead and click No Thanks, and then you can choose if you want 1-day expedited processing for an extra $99, and if you want the Founders Kit, which is just like a binder with your business name, formation documents, and all that stuff. Not necessary, and if you want to save $99, you can go ahead and skip that. So for $299, you're gonna get the operating agreement, your EIN, the legal forms and e-sign, as well as the $100 Wyoming state filing fee. So again, to get started with LegalZoom, just click the link down in the description below. Quick pros and cons of using a formation service. Pros are it saves hours of paperwork and research. You don't need a US address or a social security number. You get EIN, agent, and filings handled for you. You get ongoing compliance reminders. You get access to add-ons like legal advice, tax filing, and etc. Now for the cons, it's more expensive than doing it yourself. Some services upsell aggressively. Not every service is optimized for non-US residents, so choose carefully. That's why I'm going with LegalZoom in this video. It's one of the most recognized and trusted names in the space, and they do support international founders. So I would also recommend using a tool like QuickBooks to keep your books clean, even if it's just one invoice per month. You can go ahead and check out the link down in the description to get started with QuickBooks. Another tip is to set calendar reminders for your annual filings, especially Form 5472. And don't ignore taxes just because you're not in the US. the IRS will fine you. Open your business bank account as soon as you get your EIN. Separate your UK and US finances to keep things clean and to avoid legal trouble. So forming a US LLC as a UK resident might sound intimidating, but once you break it down, it's a very doable process. With the right tools and services, you can be up and running in just a few weeks without ever leaving your flat. Whether you're launching a software company, selling digital products, or offering freelance services to American clients, a US LLC gives you global reach, legal protection, and legit business presence in the world's biggest economy. So if you want to get started with setting up your LLC or holding company, you'll find the links down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you use them, we really appreciate it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the LLC channel, we cover everything that you need to know about forming, managing, and scaling your LLC or holding company, plus smart tax strategies and business tips to help you grow. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.